Hello, greetings of love and light. Recently, somebody was asking me, why is it that today's youngsters are leaning towards a very luxurious lifestyle? Now, the answer for this is very simple. It doesn't come on one fine morning, a youngster doesn't wake up and say, hey, from today I'm going to lead a luxurious lifestyle. This comes from the upbringing, this comes from the family environment. Now, when I say family environment, immediately there'll be many people who will argue and say, no, it is the peer pressure. Now, to a certain extent, yes, I do agree that it is because of peer pressure. But how is it that the family values and family practices are not so powerful enough to de-influence the peer pressure? That is something that the families need to reflect upon. Our most important reason why children also are moving towards an affluency or a luxurious lifestyle or want to really show off their luxurious status is because it comes from the family. Even as they were young, probably parents have always given in and had in all good intent must have felt that they need to fulfill the demands of their children. They need to fulfill the desires of their children. So the children have always got used to leading a life which is a little always above their parents' lifestyle. So it just carries on. And this is what that they become so used to that when they are young adults, they begin to lead a life because that becomes their belief system that we need to lead a life which is a little above our own means. So if we need to address this issue, we need to start very young. Parents need to pay attention to understanding whether they are fulfilling the wants of the child or the needs of the child. The needs of the child needs to be fulfilled. Wants, we'll need to do an audit to understand whether they deserve to be fulfilled.